Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the EVGA RTX 3090. It's the XC3 Ultra Edition. It's the more slim of the designs, and it also features 3 fans, as you can see on the front right there. So first of all, I'll show you the packaging. Here's the front of the box. And here's one side. Here's the other side. Here's the top. And then the bottom is just black right there. And just to quickly go over the specs, you can see up close here. It's a 2nd generation ray tracing cores. It uses PCI Gen 4. Lots of great cutting edge technology right there. So now I'm going to open it up. So inside here we have plastic packaging. I know a lot of the other cards have their own dedicated cardboard box inside, but I mean this is good enough too. So before I get to the card, I'm just gonna show the accessories it comes with. First, here's a bracket. This is to prevent sag in the case. Sometimes these cards can be heavy, so quite often they'll dip down a bit inside the motherboard. This just gives it some extra rigidity. I'll just tap it against the cable there. It's solid metal. Yeah, that's a bracket you get. Here's the instruction manual. It's nice they don't give you some crazy thick booklet, but instead it's just nice and straightforward. Let's put the English side. Yeah, you can see up close there. Nice and compact. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So now into the card. It's a bit tight. So here we have the first impression. You can see it's 3 fans right here. Each of the fans has a EVGA logo, sorry, not the logo, just the E, the starting E's engraved into the fans. I'm sure that doesn't affect the performance at all. The blades are all oriented in the same way, so I think it appears the fans would be spinning in the same direction. And then they provided you, contrary to the NVIDIA Founders Edition card, with these third-party, they do include a PCI protector right here, which is quite nice. You can see the fan headers right there, and here's the end of the card. Now onto the power side, it uses 2 8-pin power connectors. I know some of the cards like this, the Asus Strix RTX 3090 uses 3 of these, but this one, it's a lower tier model, so it only uses 2 of these 8-pin connectors. That's mainly because this one it's factory overclocked to not as high of a frequency. So as a result, it doesn't use as much power. And here's the connector for the SLI. My understanding is for the RTX 3000 series, the RTX 3090 is the only card that uses SLI compatibility still. Now onto the practical end, we have 1 HDMI port and then 3 DisplayPort outputs. And yeah, that's everything there. Now onto the back side of the card. It's nice they included a backplate. So typically in these lower tier EVGA cards, they don't include one. Yeah, it's protected right now by a thin plastic film. They leave the protector off for where the actual core is connected. Chipset right there. Yeah, that's everything. Again, it's a nice slim design relative to the other 3090s. It's a XC3 edition. This part will be illuminated. Anyway guys, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate if you made this far into it. I'm really looking forward to trying this out in my new PC I'm building, and hopefully I'll get some good results. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.